damn it. Yeah. Oh. Wunderbar. Vielen Dank, der Herr. Bye bye, Chris. So, we are doing a little kind of racing with Chris today, and as you can see, we're driving upwards again. Filming downwards is a little bit difficult, but I will try.